If you ain't running, you're doing it wrong.
Noisy.
I know you get tired. I see it.
I ain't tired. I'm alive. And I intend to stay that way.
You're fucking blind, Frank.
And what? You see, you who'd rather starve than to fight, to deny nature for law. I will not see it. I think I'd rather die.
Nature. Law. Since when did these things have meaning anymore? The blood we spill leaves us exempt from both. God's bastards.
The blood we spill gives life. If that is not nature, then we are not the bastards, God is. I can smell the hunger in you. You hide behind righteousness. But if you were to have a taste, you would not stop until it was empty. Still not even then.
He, a man. It's not the taste I despise, nor the power that comes with it. It's the corruption.
Weakness is corruption. You're not made to be weak.
Corruption is weakness, Frank. We were born to be strong.
If this affliction is so vile, why do you still live, if you can call it living?
It's the ultimate test. To hold the key to life and death, and to not use either. To know the truth, and to not reveal it. To see the weak and the strong, and to respect neither, but to understand both.
You are lost, a creature of nothing, a ghost wandering between. If I were you, I would let the light take me, end this miserable existence if you see it as such.
It's true, I'm the strongest coward. I do not fight, though I know I'd win. I refuse to die, but I'm unable to live. But I'm no more of a ghost than you. You are the ghost of all your sins. You used to have love. Now all you spew is venom and hate.
Love is for the dying.
Love is for the living.
Love is for the prayer. Let me be the end of it. Without me, the world would have no meaning.
O consumer of death, how the world has changed you.
My only wish is that it changed me sooner. If it had, I would not endure these petty quarrels. If anyone else was to live in this lecture, I'd have their neck.
Perhaps there's some life left in you yet.
There's that word again. Life. A slur against the supernatural.
The last offence to the otherwise invulnerable.
At last, we agree on something.
Then let's leave it at that.
Suppose I'll see you in 100 years?
I suppose.
I expect a different man.
As do I.